Hello everyone, this is Architect Channel, sharing architectural tutorials, design, and on-the-spot travel vlogs.
Today's episode is about on how to design a mixed-use building. Please hit the subscribe button, like and share to notify you for the latest tutorials and design ideas. Let's get started. A mixed-use building is a single structure or development that combines different functions, such as commercial or retail spaces at the ground or lower level, and offices, residential and recreational spaces, integrated in one structure. I will tell you what materials to put in adding aesthetic in the building. First, use diagrid structural system. A diagrid is a framework of diagonally intersecting metal that provides structural support and aesthetic. Second, use curtain wall system. A curtain wall system is a non-structural building facade that is typically made of aluminum frames and large glass panels. Third, ledges and overhangs. Concrete ledges and overhangs are common structural and aesthetic elements, where the ledge is a projection from a larger mass, and the overhang extends beyond a support. It provides weather protection or sun barrier and added architectural interest. Adding greeneries on the ledges will give it extra attention. Fourth, provide recreational podium. A recreational podium is a raised, multi-story platform in a building that incorporates communal recreational facilities, such as gardens, playgrounds, or swimming pools, facing important views in the neighboring streets. Fifth, aluminum cladding. An aluminum cladding system is a lightweight building materials that uses aluminum panels to provide exterior protection, insulation, and a sleek modern design for buildings. 6. Glass fiber reinforced concrete or GFRC. GFRC, a composite material made from cement, fine aggregate, water, chemical admixtures, and alkali-resistant glass fibers, which make it durable, lightweight, and strong. It's used widely in architectural cladding, especially from buildings with irregular shapes and curves. Seven. Basement parking. Basement multi-level parking. This underground solution offers advantages like space efficiency, traffic flow, avoid congestion, and improve security. From a quick sketch conceptualization, turn into a 3D render output. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and share for more video tutorials. Thank you so much, and see you again.